Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, we shall be looking at how to find the square of any number that ends with 5. The square of any number that ends with 5. Now let's dive into the video proper. Remember, we shall not be using any calculator. So let's continue. The question says we should find the square of 75. So the first thing now is you shall be looking for the square of 5, which is 5 times 5 equals 25. So 5 square is going to give us 25. Now, under the place value, tens place value, we have 7 here. Some people might be thinking the next thing is to find the square of 7, then put it here, and that's all. No, for this place value of 10, what we are going to do now, we are going to be looking for the next number after 7. So let's count numbers 1 to 10 for us to get that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Here is number 7. What is the next number after 7? It's 8. So we are going to be multiplying 7 and 8. So 7 multiplied by 8 is going to give us what? 56. So our 75 square equals 5,625. Can you kindly make use of your calculator to find out if our answer is correct? If yes, kindly comment in the comment section. Now let's quickly look at another example. And the question says, find the square of 225. Find the square of 225. Now let's quickly apply what we use here for this question also. We are going to be starting with 5 square. 5 square, that is 5 times 5 equals 25. Let's put our 25 here, and here we have number 22. What's the next number after 22? Let's start counting from 21. 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Here is number 22. What's the next number after 22? It's 23. So we are going to be multiplying 22 and 23. So 22 multiplied by 23, what is it going to give us? Let's multiply that. 22 multiplied by 23. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. Then let's add up. Here we have 6. 6 plus 4 is going to give us what? 10. Now we're going to be writing the 0. The remainder will bring it here. Then we have 1 plus 4 equals what? 5. So 22 multiplied by 23 is going to be giving us what? 506. So we are going to be joining it here, 506. So 22 multiplied by 23 is 506. In conclusion, 225 square is going to give us 50,625. Can you kindly make use of your calculator to find out if our answer is correct? If yes, kindly comment in the comment section. So can you quickly attempt this? The question is 495 square. What is it going to give us if you apply this? Remember, don't make use of your calculator. Till we meet in the next lesson. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification button so that you'll be notified anytime I upload any video. Till we meet in the next lesson. Bye.